And serving for PLDT, Chunti Prado. PLDT. PLDT is now at match point. Serving from the match, Chunti Prado. Ladies and gentlemen, the player of the game, Kim Fajardo.
Finisher up until the 5th set.
Sa akin talaga, tiwala lang sa buong team eh. Tiwala sa coaches, tiwala sa teammates ko talaga. Tsaka syempre, respeto rin sa kalaban. Galing someone. Galing.
At talaga nakakahaba yun, Rafa. And with that, ganun importante yung pag-maximize mo, not just your powerful reinforcement na si Lena, pero na-maximize mo din ang inyong middle. So how important was being crafty for the whole 5 sets?
Ano talaga eh, hindi ko pwedeng isipin lang na meron kaming reinforce kasi alam ko, buo yung tiwala ko sa kanila, sa kanilang lahat.
Anong pakiramdam na meron kayong ticket on to the way to the semifinals?
Ano ba? Sorry pa.
Anong pakiramdam na ngayon? Pupunta na kayong semifinals.
Sobrang saya namin. Nakita mo naman yung team ko, alas naiyak na sila. Pati ako naiyak din ako.
Siyempre, Kath, may gusto ko bang batiin, family, friends, the PBL fans watching here in the arena and also online.
Una-una, maraming salamat sa lahat ng volleyball fans na nandito. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat sa PLDT fans. Maraming salamat. Binabati ko rin yung PLDT management, yung family ko sa Batangas. Tita Maten, nandito ka. Tita Chik and Mikes.
And with that, thank you very much. Congratulations, Kath, to the rest of the PLDT high-speed hitters securing a ticket to the semifinals. And up next, we have the Korean High Pool Smashers going against the Petrogas Angels. Stay tuned for our final game of the night. Back to the panel.
That's what